In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Opera browser from opening on startup. If Opera keeps popping up the moment your computer boots, it's usually because a single setting is enabled inside the browser. We'll turn that off in a moment. Follow along and you'll be done in less than a minute. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is up, look to the left-hand sidebar for the gear-shaped settings icon. Click it to open the settings page. If you don't see the sidebar, resize the window until it appears, or use the keyboard shortcut to open settings directly. Inside settings, everything you need will be on the left side. Next, in the settings menu, click on Startup on the left. This section controls what Opera does when it launches and whether it's allowed to start up with your system. If you have trouble finding it, use the search box at the top of settings and type startup to jump right to the section. Now look for the option labeled Run when my computer starts. You may see a small switch or toggle next to it. Turn that switch off. In some versions, the wording can vary slightly, such as Launch Opera at Startup or Start Opera when your device starts. The meaning is the same. Once you flip the toggle off, the change is saved automatically. There's no apply button to click. That's it. From now on, Opera will stay closed when you sign into your computer and will only open when you choose to launch it. If you ever want Opera to start automatically again, just come back to this same On Startup section and turn the switch back on. Quick tip, if your computer still reopens Opera after a restart, it might be because the system is restoring apps that were open before shutdown. Closing Opera before you power off can prevent that. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, faster startup.